Crypto moves fast, and missing the right project at the right time can cost you big. In this video, we are counting down the top 4 cryptocurrencies to watch right now. Starting off at number 4, we have Ethereum. Even in a shaky market, Ethereum is making major moves behind the scenes. The upcoming Pectra upgrade, scheduled for May 7th, is one of the most important updates this year. It will improve wallet usability, allow validators to increase staking amounts, and implement 11 Ethereum improvement proposals in total. These changes are aimed at making Ethereum smoother for both users and developers, especially as more institutions explore Ethereum-based infrastructure. At the same time, Ethereum is leading the way in the tokenized real-world asset trend. BlackRock's Build Fund, which is available across multiple blockchains, sees the vast majority of its activity on Ethereum. In March alone, it paid out over $4 million in dividends, with more than $3.5 million of that going to Ethereum investors. Since the fund launched, over 90% of total payouts have gone through Ethereum, making it the dominant chain for tokenized securities. Ethereum may be volatile in the short term, but from staking to real-world finance, it continues to build one of the strongest cases in crypto. In third place, XRP is setting the stage for a major comeback. The token has gained 9% recently, and a series of bullish developments suggest the trend may continue. The CME Group is launching XRP futures contracts, which is a huge move for institutional access. There will be micro contracts for retail traders and standard contracts for institutional players, all cash settled and available through platforms like Robinhood. On top of that, ProShares is launching 3 XRP-based ETFs, including both leveraged and short versions. While these ETFs are based on XRP futures and not the token itself, they show growing demand for XRP exposure in traditional markets. At the same time, Ripple is expanding its influence. The company recently acquired brokerage firm Hidden Road in a deal worth over $1 billion, gaining a foothold in regulated US financial markets. Hoshkey Capital also launched the first XRP tracker fund in Asia, adding more global exposure. All of this comes while XRP's use case in cross-border money transfers continues to stand out. With regulators slowly warming up to crypto ETFs and infrastructure being built rapidly, XRP is well positioned to surprise many investors this year. At number 2, SUI is stealing the spotlight. SUI has delivered one of the most impressive rallies of the year so far, climbing 67% in just 1 week, and quickly moving up the crypto rankings. That kind of price action alone draws attention, but the story goes deeper. Speculation is swirling about a possible collaboration with the Pokemon Company. After Miston Labs, the core team behind SUI was linked to a Pokemon-related app update. The connection is through Parasol Technologies, a Miston Labs subsidiary that builds blockchain-based tools for gaming. They've already launched games like Capybara Fusion and Code of Joker, both using SUI infrastructure. While this isn't official confirmation, the rumor alone has driven waves of attention. Meanwhile, SUI is also locking in real partnerships. The project has teamed up with Rex Portal and Xmoney to enable spending of SUI tokens across 20,000 merchants in Europe. Thanks to a virtual MasterCard, users can now add their crypto to Apple Pay and Google Pay wallets, bringing real-world usability to the chain. Before we dive into the last pick, drop a comment and let us know which crypto are you betting on this month. And finally, number 1 goes to Bitcoin. If you want to know why Bitcoin is still at the top, make sure to check out our previous video where we cover it in full detail.